Hi viewers, welcome back to KPMK videos. Today our topic is mid text function in Excel, and here we have the data in C column, and that respect to person ID, that respect to person category, that respect to person name, that category, like for example STU means student, EMP means employee, and TRA means trainee, and OTH means others. But I require that category in separate column now, and I don't want to disturb that data also. That's why I'm using the here mid text. Okay, equal to MID open bracket, select that particular cell, comma, and that category start from 6th character. I am giving the 6 here, and comma, how many characters are required, I need to give here, that is 3. That category like 3 size character, that's why I am giving the 3 here, and close bracket, enter. Yes, see, I got the here that category in separate column. Okay, you can use the mid text and you can take the like this if you require any data from any particular column. Okay, thank you so much friends. Please like and share my videos. Please subscribe my channel.